Section 1. Level up your content. AI thumbnails. Made easy. Want to grab attention online? Well, it's all about the thumbnail. A captivating thumbnail is your secret weapon to stand out from the crowd. Think of it as a movie poster for your content. It needs to instantly hook viewers. And guess what? Creating those scroll-stopping thumbnails just got a whole lot easier and more fun thanks to AI. Gone are the days of wrestling with complex design software. AI tools are here to make thumbnail creation a breeze, even if you're a complete beginner. Imagine generating eye-catching visuals with just a few clicks. That's the power of AI at your fingertips. In this guide, we'll unlock the secrets to crafting stunning thumbnails using the magic of AI. Get ready to unleash your creativity and watch your content soar to new heights. Whether you're a blogger, a social media enthusiast, or a business owner, mastering AI thumbnail creation is a game changer. Let's dive in and transform your visuals from bland to brilliant. Section 2. Your AI-powered thumbnail toolkit. Ready to dive into the exciting world of AI-powered thumbnail creation? Let's explore some popular tools and techniques that will become your new best friends. Number 1. AI-powered design platforms. These user-friendly platforms are your one-stop shops for all things design. Think Canva, Adobe Express, and Vista Create. These platforms offer intuitive AI features that take the guesswork out of design. Generate countless thumbnail options with different layouts, fonts, and images, all tailored to your brand. Number 2. Text-to-image generators. Time to unleash the power of words. Text-to-image generators like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney are revolutionizing how we create visuals. Simply type in a description of your desired thumbnail and watch in awe as the AI works its magic, transforming your words into stunning images. Number 3. AI image enhancement tools. Give your existing images an AI-powered boost. Tools like Let's Enhance and Deep Image use AI algorithms to upscale image resolution, improve sharpness, and enhance colors, resulting in professional-looking thumbnails. Number 4. AI background removal. Want to put your subject front and center? AI background removal tools are here to save the day. These tools, available in many design platforms, intelligently identify and remove backgrounds, allowing you to easily place your subject on eye-catching new backgrounds. Section 3. Wrapping up. Your journey to stunning thumbnails begins now. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the secrets to crafting captivating thumbnails using the magic of AI. Remember, a compelling thumbnail is your content's best friend, significantly impacting its visibility and success. By embracing AI tools and techniques, you're well on your way to creating stunning visuals that captivate your audience. Let's recap what we've learned. We explored user-friendly AI-powered design platforms that simplify the design process. We ventured into the realm of text-to-image generators, where words transform into mesmerizing visuals. And we discovered the power of AI image enhancement tools for giving your existing images a professional edge. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into action. Don't be afraid to experiment, explore different AI tools, and unleash your creativity. Remember, the world of AI thumbnail creation is your oyster. Start creating those scroll-stopping thumbnails and watch your content soar to new heights.